Welcome back to Culinary Canvas, where every bite tells a story. Today we're going to start by making a classic crab cake. In a large bowl, you're going to combine 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. You're going to also add in a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of W sauce. You're then going to take your 2 eggs that you have previously beaten and place that in the mixture as well. Next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You're going to want to use full fat. Then you're going to take a teaspoon of mustard powder, salt, and pepper. You're just going to have this and do a big whisk. You're just going to make sure everything is combined and there's no lumps or clumps of anything in there. So just going to mix it up for about a few seconds or a couple of minutes, up to you. Next, you're going to take your finely crushed crackers and you're going to pour it into the mixture. You can also use breadcrumbs if you would like. I used crackers to get a more authentic crab cake, and you're just going to fold this, and to crush the crackers you can use anything like a mallet, a rolling pin, or you can just crunch them together with your hands. Once that's well combined, you're then going to take your lump crab and you're just going to gently fold it into the mixture. And try not to break up the crab meat as well. We also use lump crab because it is a more sweeter crab than any other crab. But you can also use canned crab if you would like, completely up to you, but the taste will be slightly different. Once you get the mixture to the consistency that you would like it to be, you're just going to take your air fryer liners. I got mine at HEB, and you're going to take your crab cake mixture and you're just going to form them into your crab cakes. This recipe does yield 6 to 8 crab cakes. I ended up making 4, and I will also recommend that you wear gloves while doing this as well, because it is extremely messy and your hands are going to get dirty, but if you don't mind, that's fine as well. A little trick as well is once you're done forming your crab cakes, you're going to want to refrigerate them for about 30 minutes so that when you get ready to cook your crab cakes either in the air fryer or on the pan, they will hold its shape and not fall apart easily. Next, you're just going to place your crab cakes in the air fryer. Since I do have a smaller air fryer and I made mine a little bit bigger, I did mine 4 at a time for 375 for 15 minutes. While those crab cakes are cooking in the air fryer, I'm just going to show you how I made a remoulade sauce. So, first things first, you're going to take 2/3 cup of mayo and you're going to put it in a small container. So what I did between each ingredient that I added, I just mixed it up so that way it would get a nice creamy consistency and not be so lumpy. So next, after that, you're going to take a tablespoon of lemon juice, and you're going to add that in, and then you're going to add in a teaspoon of W sauce, and then I'll just give that a great big mix. Once that's a good consistency, you're going to add smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper to taste, and Dijon mustard. I didn't have any at the moment, so I used mustard paste instead, but I would say that if you're not a big mustard fan, I would cut down on the mustard so that way it doesn't overpower too much. Once you're done with that, then you're going to take your chives, about a tablespoon, and you're just going to put that in the mixture as well. And then you're just going to mix it up, and that's all. Quick and easy, real simple. And this pairs well with crab cakes and any other seafood dish that you might like to try as well. Okay, and here is the final product. They were so delicious. Let me know if you guys try them, and if you have anything else that you would want me to make in the future, please comment that down below, and I'll be more than happy to. Thanks for watching.